Hull City 3-3 Ipswich Town. Tigers fight back 3 times to deny Tractor Boys. Ipswich Town missed the chance to move into an automatic promotion spot as playoff-chasing Hull City came from behind 3 times in a thrilling 3-3 championship draw at the MKM Stadium. Ipswich knew a victory would take them second after Leeds United were surprisingly beaten 4-0 by Queen's Park Rangers on Friday, and they led on 3 separate occasions, George Hurst opening the scoring before Omari Hutchinson produced 2 brilliant strikes from the edge of the area. However, buoyed by slip-ups from rivals Norwich City and West Brom earlier on Saturday, Hull dug deep to fight back on each occasion, Ozan Tufan and Liam Delap scoring their first 2 equalizers. With Liam Rosenior's men 3-2 down with just 4 minutes to play, substitute Noah Ohio blasted his shot and off the crossbar to punish an error from Ipswich goalkeeper Václav Hladký. The result keeps Ipswich behind second-placed Leeds on goal difference, though the Tractor Boys have a game in hand to come at Coventry City on Tuesday. Hull, meanwhile, are 2 points adrift of the top 6. With Norwich's goal difference advantage meaning their top 6 spot is all but assured. The Tigers will, however, leapfrog West Brom if they beat Plymouth Argyle on the final day and Albion lose to Preston North End. Data debrief: Hutchinson's best not enough. Hutchinson was a man who deserved to be on the winning side on Saturday, giving Ryan Alsop no chance with 2 near-identical left-footed strikes from the right corner of the penalty area. His goals came from an expected goals XG total of just 0.6, and he led all players on the pitch for shots 8 and passes in the final third 21, also laying on 3 chances for his teammates. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to click the subscribed button and hit the bell icon for more.